USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are officially in the downtrend. As you can see, this low is broken, this low is broken. Okay, all these previous lows are taken, so we are officially in the downtrend, but pullback will happen. Okay, so pullback will happen. Coming back to daily time frame, we are dripping and dripping. As you can see, dollar has collapsed in the last 2 weeks. Okay, and that's it. So I think we have to wait for the pullback. Coming back to 4 hour, the entry has to be very simple here. This is your fib. Okay, so where's my fib? I haven't used it for a long time. That's it. Okay, let the pullback happen. I think pullback will happen until 61%. Okay, so 61% is equal to the EMA, right? So the price will touch the EMA, reject it, and then bearish candle, and then we go down. So two possibilities in 4 hour. Either price will break above the EMA, that will be the start of the uptrend, or else the price will reject the EMA with bearish engulfing candle and will go continue down. Okay, so as per the structure, we are in the downtrend. As you can see in all time frames, this is below the EMA. Daily is also below the EMA, and weekly you have seen as well. So by textbook, look for shorts after the pullback in 4 hours. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, join the brokers below my video. All the links are there, and I'll see you in my next video. So then take care.